AmaZulu ngisabona kwi-comment section yami.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now our girl Naledi is complaining over there by Twitter that she doesn't see the Zulu speaking people on her comment section, that she doesn't see them anymore, and she was like, she went to Namibia, why she doesn't see this. Basically, this is just a joke, guys. It's nothing serious, okay? I'm not reporting on anything heavy or anything serious. I'm just reporting on just to say, hey, Zulu people, please. Oh, Zulu speaking people, I'm so sorry. Zulu speaking people, please. Go and support our girl. And get nazi ukuthi girl warana ki Muzulu. Support her, guys. Support her, guys. We are Tswana speaking people and we support her. She wants to see you guys. She's worried, manju, but you guys don't support her anymore. Please support our Naledi, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
AmaZulu ngisabona kwi-comment section yami. Angisaboni. Ngokuba nje bafethu senemibheni seniyangilahla. Hawu. Watakana bonawa. Nawa tu. Hayi bafethu anibuyeke ngicela ukuthi ningibuyeleke. Hayi bafethu i-unfair into leniyenzayo. Hayi i-unfair into leniyenzayo. Angisaniboni nje sengile ngiphendule yini isisilendlela language oshambo shiyawamba yini oshiwomba hayi bafethu